Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming capability and enabling Android apps. Open Settings and turn on Google Play. Sign into your Google account so apps can install. Once done, make sure your Chromebook is updated to a recent Chrome OS build. This ensures compatibility. Also clear about 500 MB of space or update existing Play Store apps to avoid install errors. Now, search the Play Store for a trusted live wallpaper app. Pick one with good reviews and tap Install to begin. You now open the installed live wallpaper app and grant it permissions such as storage and overlay so it can set wallpaper. Next, choose your video source. Use the app's bundled clips, pick a file from Files, or import from cloud storage. Once selected, trim, crop, or set loop points if available. This prevents long files from running unnecessarily. Finally, tweak quality and battery options. Reduce resolution or frame rate to preserve battery life while keeping a smooth look. To finish, apply the video as wallpaper using the app's Set Wallpaper button or long press the desktop. Choose Set Wallpaper, then Live Wallpapers. Make sure the app remains allowed to run in the background, otherwise the video may stop when idle. If playback fails, reboot, regrant permissions, and try re-encoding the clip to MP4 with H.264. Many apps prefer that format. And if you notice high battery drain or lag, switch back to a static image to protect performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.